Acha, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, Alhamdulillah, today we are starting first lesson. Do you have books in like this page in front of you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you? Okay. So this first lesson is like simple words, simple sentences. We are going to learn in Arabic, inshallah, slowly and gradually. Haza means this. Like when we point to something, we say this is a book, this is a table, this is a bookshelf, something like that. So when we say this in Arabic, this is that word is haza, pointing word. And this pointing word, this is for something that is near or something that is far. When I say this is my laptop, so this is for near or far thing?
It's for near.
For near. When we say this, it means something is near, like something is close to me, right? So haza is the pointing word we use when something is near us. Okay. So, okay. Haza baitun. Haza, this, baitun. What do you think baitun could be?
This house.
Yeah, this is a house. This is complete sentence, you know. Haza baitun, though it's a two word, but it's a complete sentence. It means this is a house. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Haza baitun, this is a house. Okay. Here you go. Haza masjidun.
This is a masjid.
Very good. Excellent. Haza ba'bun.
This is a door.
Very good. Excellent. You are saying is and are, right? Is coming with this combination, haza and babun. This specific combination is telling that is there. Is hidden. In Arabic, is hidden. Okay. And we are also saying a book. This is a house. This is a masjid. This is a door. A is coming because we have this double dhamma at the end. Okay, you can write it down somewhere that when we see double dhamma at the end of a word, it means one. Okay, if it's a common noun, baitun, any house, right? Masjidun, any masjid. We are not saying it's a masjidul haram. We are not saying it's my house. No, it's any house. So any house, common, right? Any house. So you just note it down. When there is a double dhamma, it means one, common. It's a common noun and one. Okay. Haza babun. Babun. Now you tell me, what is this?
هذا كتاب.
Haza kitabun. Kitabun. Yeah.
هذا كتاب.
Haza kitabun. Then
this is a book.
This is a book. Excellent. Haza qalamun.
هذا قلم.
Haza qalamun. So, what is this? Like, tell me the translation. I know you can translate on your own because, alhamdulillah, you are smart and like you can see what is there. So, Haza qalamun.
This is a pen.
Excellent. Haza miftahun.
This is a key.
Excellent, excellent. هذا مكتب.
This is a desk.
Excellent. Yes. Desk, office B or desk B. You can say office or desk. هذا مكتب. This is a desk. Yes. هذا سرير.
This is a bed.
Yes. هذا كرسي.
This is a chair.
Excellent. So that, alhamdulillah, look how easy is this. So we just learned first page of lesson 1. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Now, on the previous page, we just saw simple sentences. And do you know there are how many types of sentences are there?
Like sentences or words?
No, types of sentences, like affirmative, and then you have interrogative, like when you question something, when you ask something, like.
No, I don't think I know those yet.
Oh, okay. So there are different, even in English, you have different types of sentences. One sentence is just saying something, plain assertion, like plain statement. This is a book, that is a book, that is a cat, or this is a door, that is a window. So simple sentences, or assertive, or just a statement. And then there are sentences. Where is your book? What is this? Where is the door? Is the door open? Is the window open? So these are, what kind of sentences are these?
Like
Questions,
yeah,
question
like,
sentence, question
yeah,
sentence, or interrogative sentence, right?
Yeah.
So on this page, on the second page of lesson 1, what is this page teaching us? It's teaching us ma haza. We know haza is
Haza is this.
this. Ma haza, what is this? Okay, so ma, yeah, this page is teaching us question, how questions are there in Arabic. So this is the most simple question that is there in Arabic language. Ma haza, what is this? Okay, ma haza. Ma we use for physical objects, not most of the time non-living things. Ma haza. Okay, ma haza. Yeah, ma haza. Haza baitun. Okay, you I read like you read with me, and then you tell me the English translation. Ma haza.
What is this?
Then you say it.
Haza baytun. This is a house.
Excellent. Okay. Now this, can you see alif with hamza and fatha?
Yeah.
This is hamzatul istifham. When you make question, is this a book? Is this a bed? Or is this a cat? Is that the window? When you say like this, is this, then this hamzatul istifham is there. Hamzatul istifham. Say it with me. Hamzatul istifham.
Istifham.
Yeah, question hamza. Okay.
So that's like if they're asking, is this a house?
Oh. Let me erase it. Like it override it. So, mm, so is means is this, is at the start of the sentence. Okay. So
Okay.
haza is this, and baitun is
House.
house. So haza baitun.
Is this a house?
So what's the answer over here?
Um. Uh. Yes, this is a house.
Excellent. So na'am means
Yes. I remember that from my like other Arabic class, like
mashallah,
because
mashallah.
they speak Arabic, so like I know some words like.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So na'am, yes, this is a house. Ahada baitun, na'am, this is a house. Okay.
Okay.
Ma haza,
Uh,
ma haza.
what is this?
هذا قميص.
This is a shirt.
Excellent. So see how simple is this? Alhamdulillah. Okay. هذا سرير. Sarirun, remember what is sarir?
It is this a bed?
Excellent. Is this a bed? Is this a bed?
No, this is a this is a chair.
So la means no.
No.
La, no. Okay. So la ilaha illallah. There is no God except Allah subhanahu. There is no deity except Allah subhanahu. So la, no. Haza kursiyun. La, no. This is a chair.
No, this is a chair.
Yes. No. You have to pause over here. When comma is there.
Oh, there's a comma. The comma is like is the comma backwards?
In Quran Arabic, you don't see over here because you are just learning the first lesson. So comma is there to tell you that you have to take a pause here. La haza kursiyun. La haza kursiyun. No, this is a chair. Yeah. Okay. Ahada miftahun.
Is this a is this a key?
Yes, good, excellent. La haza qalamun.
No, this is a pen.
Ma haza.
What is this?
Hada najmun.
This is a star.
Excellent. So you know, alhamdulillah. So see how easy these lessons are. Alhamdulillah. Okay, we can do the next page verbally, and inshallah, you are going to do like you are going to write as a homework assignment. So this one, let's do this page. Okay, let me make it smaller. It's not. Oh. Okay. Ma haza.
What is this?
Hada. How would you answer? Hada. Hada.
Hada maktabun.
Excellent. Ma haza.
What is this? Hada sarirun.
Haza sarirun. Excellent. Ma haza.
What is this? Ma hada kitabun.
Excellent.
Ma hada, what is this? هذا باب.
Excellent. And then?
ما هذا is what is this? هذا بيت.
Excellent. You're awesome. Alhamdulillah. So let's see if we can do the next page also. Yeah, only four more things, 4 more sentences. Ahada baytun.
Is this a house?
So
نعم هذا بيت.
excellent. Ahada qamisun.
Is this a shirt? no. نعم هذا قميص.
Excellent. Ahada miftahun.
Is this a key? لا لا هذا
Qala qalamun.
قلم.
Excellent.
لا هذا قلم.
Yeah, la hadha qalamun. Okay, la hadha qalamun.
لا هذا قلم.
Yes. Hadha najmun. Is this a star?
نعم هذا نجم.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So Alhamdulillah, we did 4 pages of first lesson, and let's see what is left for next.
Should I, for homework, should I fill out pages 5 and 6?
Yes, that we just do verbally.
Yeah.
Like this page and the page number 5 and page number 6. What's the number on your book? Like the hardcover?
It's the same.
Same. Okay. So page 5 and 6, you can do like a little assignment. And inshallah, the rest of the lesson we are going to do next time. This page 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then these are vocabulary, new vocabulary, like the things that we learned in the sentence. Okay.
Okay.
So next time, inshallah, we are going to do the rest of the lesson. And that's all for today.
Okay.
What do you think? You like it?
It's good. Yeah, I like it.
Alhamdulillah. So, and do you feel it easy, like easier?
Yeah.
So this is the lesson 2, but lesson 2 we will be doing in our 3rd session, inshallah. So we are going to split one lesson like in 2 sessions. We are going to cover one lesson in 2 sessions, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay. ठीक है, फिर मैं ये let me stop the record.